Hello viewers, welcome to Smarty channel. Today I have come up with a trick by using which you can do multiplication without using pen and paper. So let's start the session today. So on the screen you can see two numbers 17 and 30. So we have to multiply the numbers 17 and 13. If you observe these two numbers 17 and 13, on the in the tens place you have 1. In the tens place of both the numbers you have 1, which is the same. And in the units place, in the first number in the units place you have 7, and in the units place of second number you have 3. Now if you add these 7 and 3, you will get 10 as the answer. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So today I'll show you how to multiply numbers whose sum of units digit is 10 and whose tens digit is same. So let us see how to multiply these numbers. So let us see how to multiply this number. So you have 7 in the units place of first number and 3 in the units place of second number. So multiply 7 and 3. 7 3s are 21. Put 21 as it is. So put 21 as it is. Now on the left side, in the that is in the tens place of the both the numbers, you have 1. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. Multiply 1 with 2. 1 into 2 is 2. This is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 17 into 13 is equal to 221. 17 into 13 is equal to 221. So this is as simple as this. This is the required answer. Now let us take another example. 16 into 14. If you observe the two numbers 16 into 16 and 14, in the units place of the first number, that is 16, you have 6. In the units place of 14, you have 4. 6 plus this 4 is equal to 10. And in the tens place of the both the numbers, you have 1, which is the same. So now multiply this 6 with 4. 6 with the 6 fours are 6 fours are it is 24. So put 24. So put 24. Now you have 1 on the left side of both the digits, both the numbers. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So multiply the 2 with this one. Multiply the 2 with this one. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So this is the required answer. So 16 into 14 is equal to 224. So 16 into 14 is equal to 224. It's as simple as this. Now let us take few more examples. 26 into 24. 6 plus 4 is 10. So multiply 6 and 4. 6 into 4 is equal to 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Now on the left side you have 2. In the tens place of both the numbers you have 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Multiply 3 with 2. Multiply the 3 with this 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So this is the required answer. So 26 into 24 is equal to 26 into 24 is equal to 624. So 26 into 24 is equal to 624. Now let us take another example. You have 39 and 31. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So multiply 9 and 1. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. But 9 is a single digit number. You cannot take a single digit number. So you have to take two digit number. So put 0, 9. So instead of 9, you put 0, 9. Now in the tens place of both the numbers you have 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Multiply 3 and 4. 3 into 4 is 12. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 39 into 31 is equal to 1209. 39 into 31 is equal to 1209. Now let us take few more examples. We have 65 into 65. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And in the tens place we have 6, which is common, which is same in both the numbers. So 5 multiply. So first multiply 5 and 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 5 is 25. Put the 25 as it is. Now on the left side of 5 you have 6 in both the numbers. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Now multiply 6 and 7. 6 into 7 is 42. 6 into 7 is 42. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 65 into 65 is equal to 4225. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another example. 85 into 85. So here we have in the units place we have 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So multiply 5 and 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 5 is 25. Now you got the right portion of the answer. Now in the tens place of both the numbers you have 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So multiply 8 and 9. 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72. So this is the required answer. So 85 into this is the required answer. So 85 into 85 is equal to 7,225. So 85 into 85 is equal to 7,225. Now let us take another number, 103 into 107. If you see this, if you see the unit digits of 103, you have 3 in the units place, and in 107 you have 7 in the units place. So if you add the units place in both the numbers, you will get 10. So now what you have to do is multi and in the tens and hundred place, the digit on the left side of 3 is 10, and the digit on the left side of 7 is 10. So both are same. So you can apply the same method. So first multiply 7 and 3. 7 into 3 is 21. 7 into 3 is 21. Just a minute. Yeah. 7 into 3 is 21. Put 21 as it is. Now you have 10 in the tens place. 10 in plus 1 is 11. Multiply 10 and 11. 10 into 11 is 110. So put 110. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 103 into 107 is equal to 11,021. 103 into 107 is equal to 11,021. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another example. We have 114 into 116. So in the units place you have 4, and in the units place of second number you have 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So we can apply this method. So 6 multiply 6 and 4. 6 into 4 is 24. 6 into 4 is 24. Put this 24 as it is. Put this 24 as it is. Now on the left side of in the left portion of the two numbers you have 11. Okay, you have in the left side of two numbers you have 11. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. So multiply 11 and 12. 11 into 12 is 132. 11 into 12 is 132. Okay, so 11 into 12 is 132. So this is the required answer. 11 into 12 is 132. So this is the required answer. So 114 into 116 is equal to 13,224. So 114 into 116 is equal to 13,224. It's as simple as this. So if you, so this is how, this is one type of multiplication. So if you really like this video, and if you want me to come up with more such videos, then don't hesitate to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to like my channel. So in future I will be coming with more such videos. Thank you for patiently watching my video. Have a nice day and all the best for your future. Thank you.